So we're trying to attempt to talk more because Emerson pointed out in the last video that we were all way too quiet, not talking. So this is our first attempt, awkward as it may be.
By the way, I'm Emerson.
Do you want to say hi?
She's the sassy one.
Which one are you?
The intelligent one.
You're the intelligent one. So we got a rental car today. That'll give us a little bit more freedom to go explore. Today we are gonna go, where are we going?
Krka National Park.
So it should be fun.
It's about an hour's drive from where we are.
Hour and a half.
Hour.
Okay.
54 minutes according to the map.
We haven't really seen this area much, so it'll be cool to drive and explore.
Yeah.
Check out new places. Do you girls want to say anything?
Yeah. Goodbye, viewers.
Don't say viewers. We don't have viewers.
To Krka National Park. It was about an hour drive from where we were staying.
Very crazy drive. We'll have to add that.
The views were insane. I was trying not to look.
It was scary. I was freaking out.
A little bit.
Good afternoon, my ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Waterfalls Kandinsky book. It can be seen only by walk. Just go down the road 200 meters and buy the ice cream to the right.
Guys, what do you think?
Think of what? Awesome.
We're like are we halfway? A little more
I
than
think
halfway?
we're more than halfway.
And then we're almost to the spring so that we can...
Has it been pretty walk so far though?
Yes. Yeah. I'm very hot though and I'm ready to get some spring on.
We've got a little snack stop at the bottom of the waterfall.
So we made it down to the waterfall, but we haven't seen the waterfall yet
We're about to go
because
swim.
we need an ice cream break. And this is our fourth time? Our fourth time having ice cream.
We've been here for a week and we've already got gotten ice cream 4 times.
It's so good though. I've had this twice. It's sour cherry, which I think
Vito is the best brand of ice cream.
Yeah.
I got cookies and cream. Normally I get mint chocolate chip though. Chocolate bits.
it's so good.
Daddy got Lino Lotto. It's like milk, like white chocolate with like Nutella or something.
Delicious.
Go, Layla!
we saw the waterfall. Waterfalls, really stunning view. We didn't want to wait for the bus, so we're making the trek up these hills to get back to the visitor center. Not too bad.
So we just decided to hike back to the car up the mountain instead of taking the bus. But I think this view makes it worth it.
She was just trying to climb.
See the good?
Oh, it's huge. I got a chicken sandwich.
It's part of the
He got one too.
Krka Park Visitor Center. How was it? Did you get cheeseburger?
Yeah. Hi everybody, so we're leaving Krka National Park now, and yeah,
What did you think of it?
it was really nice. There was a lot of people and
lot of
cats and dogs,
There was lots of cats, yes.
and a lot of waterfalls. Really
Yes.
pretty waterfalls.
And it was fun to
springs.
swim, and we had good dinner.
Yeah,
And
tell them
yes.
about the swimming
Swimming
with the fish.
Yeah, I saw fish and I followed them. And I got
And
to
she
touch
touched
one.
them.
And what did you name your fish friends?
Henry. I don't know. Maria.
Henry and Maria.
Susie. Andy. And what was the other one? The funny one? Barnett.
I don't know. So we're doing an outro.